Hello everyone, I'm Rupali Meshram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my latest updates.
Good morning students. Today we are going to study 6th Geography, Chapter 4, Weather and Climate. Can you tell? The weather condition of a few places in India are as follows on 10th June. Use the table to answer the questions. Table is given serial number, place, state, time, weather. First one, place Kochi, state Kerala, time 12:30 p.m, weather cloudy. Second, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, 12:30 p.m, hot and sunny. Mussoorie, Uttarakhand, 12:30 p.m, cold weather, mild sun. Questions are given beside. First question, in which place will the clothes on the clothes line dry quickly? What will be the answer and what is the reason? The answer will be Bhopal, state Madhya Pradesh, 12:30 p.m, hot and sunny. Here the temperature is high and the weather is hot and sunny, due to which here the clothes on clothes line will dry quickly. Second question, in which place will they dry slowly? Why? Kochi, Kerala, 12:30 p.m, cloudy. Here the moisture in the air will be high, so the clothes will dry slowly. And also third one, Mussoorie, Uttarakhand, 12:30 p.m, cloud weather, mild sun. Here also the clothes will dry slowly because Mussoorie is located to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. Hence, it receives less solar heat. The air there is cool too due to its location on a mountain. Clothes take longer to dry here because of the medium heat and cool air. Third question, will the atmospheric conditions at these places always remain the same or will they change? The answer is they will keep on changing. Explanation. The weather conditions at each of the places given above are different on 10 June. Kochi has cloudy weather. It means there is little sunlight. The rainy season has started and moisture in the air will be high. Hence, it will take a long time for the clothes to dry. You may have observed a similar situation at your place during the rainy season. At Bhopal, there is hot sun. The water in the wet clothes get converted into vapor quickly and the clothes will dry within a short time. Mussoorie is located to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. Hence, it receives less solar heat. The air there is cool too due to its location on a mountain. Clothes take longer to dry here because of the medium heat and cool air. Factors like heat, moisture and wind influence the time taken by the clothes to dry. However, these conditions keeps on changing. Weather. We all always experience atmospheric conditions prevailing at a place and at a given time. We often talk about it, but these conditions are short-lived. This is what we call weather. For example, we say the weather is hot, the weather is cool, the weather is dry, the weather is sultry, and etc. Can you tell? Since childhood, you have experienced summer, rainy season, and winter season. On the basis of your experience, answer the following questions. In which months do summer, the rainy season, and winter occur in a year from January to December? Show it in a chart. In the following months, the summer, the rainy season, and winter occur in a year from January to December. Your answer will be summer, February, March, April, May. Rainy season, June, July, August, September. Winter, October, November, December, January. Second question. Which special clothes do we use if it is raining? What will be the answer? Yes, correct. Your answer will be we use special clothes like raincoat, jackets, umbrella, etc. if it is raining. Third question. When do we use woolen clothes? Yes, your answer is we use woolen clothes in winter season. Fourth question. In which season do we mainly use thin cotton clothes? Yes, correct. The answer is we mainly use thin cotton clothes in summer season. Explanation. Climate. You must have noticed that each season lasts for a particular period and each season occurs at a particular time of the year. The scientists observe the weather in a region for many years. With the help of such studies, they define the mean weather conditions. The average weather condition of a place observed over a long period of time is the climate of that region. Climate is generally expressed as cool and dry, or hot and humid, or hot and dry, etc. The weather changes quite often due to changes in temperature, winds and humidity, etc. We always experience these changes. A sum total of all these elements define weather. These affects our day-to-day activities and lifestyle. Elements of weather are taken into consideration while describing the climate. Elements of weather. The first element of weather is temperature. Temperature. The Earth's surface gets heat from the sun. As a result, the surface gets heated up. The air close to the surface starts becoming hot and later, one by one, different layer of air at higher elevation receive heat. Therefore, as we move upward from sea level, the temperature of air decreases. The temperature also goes on decreasing from the equator towards both the poles. Air pressure. The second element of weather is air pressure. Air has weight. As a result, it creates pressure. It is called air pressure. The lowermost layer of air gets subjected to the pressure of the upper layer. Hence, the density of the lower layer of air increases. There is greater air pressure near the surface of the earth and it decreases with increasing height. This is vertical air pressure. These changes also occur in a horizontal manner. This gives rise to winds. Third element of weather is wind. Air starts moving from high pressure towards low pressure areas in a horizontal direction. This moving air is called wind. Wind blows from high to low pressure areas and its speed depends on the amount of difference in air pressure. Fourth element of weather is moisture. The atmosphere contains vapor. The air that has greater amount of vapor is called humid air. The humidity in the atmosphere is called moisture. The proportion of moisture in the atmosphere depends on temperature. Air with higher temperature holds a greater amount of moisture. Fifth element of weather is precipitation. Vapor in the atmosphere condenses into water droplets or snow particles. The showering on the earth is called precipitation. Rainfall, snowfall, hailstorm, etc. are forms of precipitation. Weather is described on the basis of the conditions prevailing at the given time, while climate is described on the basis of condition prevailing over a longer period of time. Weather keeps changing frequently and we can experience the changes easily. Changes in the climate takes place over a long period of time. These are not preserved easily. Latitudinal position, height above sea level, nearness to ocean, oceanic currents, etc. are the factors that influence climate. Beside these, mountain ranges, types of land, local winds, and other factors that influence the climate of a region. Use your brain power. Which occupations will you practice in cold regions? The answer for this question is, I will practice the following occupations in cold regions: selling woolen clothes, selling hot drinks, tourism, cinema, short filmmaking. Second question, which occupations will you practice in hot regions? The answer for this question is, I will practice the following occupations in hot regions: selling of cotton clothes, selling of cold drinks, selling of air conditioners, air coolers, fans, etc. Always remember, the weather at a place keeps changing frequently, but the climate does not change that often. The climate is different at different locations. Within our country, India, it is cool at some places and hot at some places. It may be humid in some areas and dry in others. Do you know? The climate affects the entire living world in different ways. Life mostly thrives in regions which have a conducive climate. The climate also influences the diet, shelter, etc. of living things. The distribution of water on the earth is also a controlling factor of the climate.